Yo, I'm just DJing at the moment, so super quick video, but it fucking deserves it after that. It's just like, there's got to be something that's looked at, because the way that we're dropping off at the end of the season, like last season and this season, in the manner that we have, we just look so lacklustre and void of ideas. Now, don't get me wrong, I think we're gutted, and you can see like we're having to play through the emotions of knowing that we've lost the league, but still, our performance was not good enough. There's a lot of changes that Arteta try to switch up. For me, I think not starting Tierney means he's bouncing. Not starting Nelson, or at least featuring Nelson, means that he's bouncing. There's a few decisions today that I just felt were a bit desperate, maybe. Just like throwing out at the fucking wall and seeing what sticks. So, yeah, gutted. But you know what? I still can't let it blight the season, but it's getting hard seeing performances, just seeing us like limp over the line. Do you know what I mean? We've earned ourselves more than this, but it's a big summer. Shows how close we are, but how far we are as well, man. But it is what it is. As I say, quick video, note to say, City look like the unstoppable force that they are, and we know what we need to do to close the gap by signing the players that we do, but this end of season's feeble, man, and like, I'm not even putting it on the players. I just think it's the emotion of the occasion that's got to us. But it's happened 2 seasons on the bounce now where we've not been able to get over the line, and that is either a mental hurdle or something that definitely needs addressing. So there you are. Peace and light.